Good morning or good afternoon. I'm looking for some toiletries. Can you help me?
Hi, of course. What specific toiletries are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking for a facial cleanser suitable for sensitive skins. Do you have any recommendations?
Certainly, we have a variety of facial cleansers for different skin types, but for sensitive skins, I would recommend this brand. It's known for its gentle formula and soothing ingredients.
That sounds great. I'll take that. What about bath soaps and body washes?
We also have a wide selection of bath soaps and body washes here. Are you looking for something moisturizing or any particular scent?
Yes, I prefer something moisturizing with a light floral scent. What options do you have in stock here?
We have a few options that might suit your preferences. You may also hear we have a few stuff here that might meet your needs. This brand offers a moisturizing body wash with a mild floral fragrance.
That sounds perfect. I'll take a bottle of that as well. And have you got or do you have any hair care products?
Yes, we have, or yes, we do. We have a variety of shampoos and conditioners for different hair types. Are you looking for any specific types?